Good morning, students. Now last time we had finished lesson 4, that was articles, right? We have done articles and we had finished all the exercises related to articles over here. Um, Now let us start with lesson 5, pronouns. Defining a pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. What you know now very well know that what are nouns. So those words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. For example, Monica is a brilliant girl. She is the favorite of all teachers. All of them admire her. Now here she is used for Monica, right? Them is used for teachers. Her is used for again Monica, right? So all these are pronouns. Write down this for one example. Here the words she and her stand for noun Monica. The word them stands for teachers. So she, her and them are pronouns. A noun which a pronoun stands for is called its antecedent. Please underline this and this pronouns का जो definition है वो, right? Then underline these words also. No need to write down this point so you can understand what is a pronoun, right? Now in the example given above, the noun Monica is the antecedent of pronouns she and her. You will have to write down here this point. she and her का antecedent है because Monica के लिए she and her use हुआ है. The noun teachers is the antecedent of the pronoun them, right? them के लिए ये यूज़ हुआ है. टीचर्स के लिए them यूज़ हुआ है. So teachers is the antecedent of the pronoun them. Now let us study further kinds of pronouns. The following diagram shows the various kinds of pronouns. Pronouns had different types. So what are the different types that we can study now? Pronouns are number 1 personal pronouns, number 2 demonstrative pronouns, number 3 interrogative pronouns. Interrogative नाम से पता चलता है question पूछने वाले pronouns normally. Then reflexive pronouns, emphasizing pronouns which give a more emphasis on certain nouns. Then possessive pronouns which show belonging, distributive pronouns, relative pronouns and indefinite pronouns. Now let us do personal pronouns. Pronouns that stand for persons or things. In the example above, she, her and them are personal pronouns. Here Monica के लिए use किया है, so she, her and them are personal pronouns, right? Demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns used to point out the object or objects they refer to, right? Those pronouns which are used to point out up to a certain object, that is this, those. ये जनरली वर्ड्स है जो हम लोग डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्स बोलते हैं इनको, हम लोग ने पहले भी स्टडी किया था. सो दिस इज they are called demonstrative pronouns. This is a large house. Those are beautiful flowers. These are lovely colors, right? All these are demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Pronouns used to ask questions. Who brought these flowers? What do you need? What and who are WH question words, right? They are used to ask questions, so they are called interrogative pronouns. Now reflexive pronouns. Pronouns like myself, yourself when used as the receiver of an action. When reflexive pronouns are used, pronouns like myself, yourself when used as the receiver of an action. Receiver of an action when they are used, like myself जो मतलब action हो रही है वो खुद वो अपने आप कर रहा है, जो सब्जेक्ट है वो, तो उसके लिए माई सेल्फ, अवर सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ ऐसा यूज़ करेंगे. तो दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. आई हर्ट माई सेल्फ. सो मुझे खुद को हर्ट हुआ है. सो आई माई सेल्फ इज़ द रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन. दिस दे ब्लेम्ड देम सेल्स, राइट? themselves, them are the what do you say, themselves are the receiver of the action, so that is a reflexive pronoun. Further, reflexive pronouns Okay, that we did. Emphasizing pronouns. Pronouns used to convey emphasis. When you want to emphasize certain things, you use emphasizing pronouns. You yourself chose this good shoes, right? So you yourself is emphasizing on you. तुमने खुद लिया है, right? She herself called me. मतलब वो खुद, उसने खुद मुझे कॉल किया. So we are emphasizing on she. That is why we are using this emphasizing pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns that show possession. जो possession दिखाते हैं. These gloves are mine. This is a possessive pronoun. That suit is yours. Yours is a possessive pronoun. वो तुम्हारा है. Further, distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are refer to persons or things one at a time, right? They are used to distribute the importance of the work, the action in the sentence between two or more different people. Each of these men, right? Either of the two bags, मतलब दोनों bags पे equal importance दिया है. दोनों जितने भी men available है उन सब पे equal importance दिया है. Each of these men. So these are distributive pronouns. Each and either, either or, neither. All these are distributive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Pronouns that stand for some noun understood or implied. All are satisfied. जो understood है ऐसे nouns के लिए जो use होता है, they are called indefinite pronouns. All are satisfied. Many are invited but few are came. Many and few both are used for a group of people which is to be understood, right? Implied. So they are indefinite pronouns. डेफिनेट नहीं है उसमें कुछ. ऑल, मैनी, फ्यू, काफ़ी सारे लोग हो सकते हैं. एक या दो भी हो सकते हैं, चार भी हो सकते हैं, 50 भी हो सकते हैं, राइट? दैट वे द वर्ड्स नन, ऑल, सम, सेवरल, बोथ, मैनी, फ्यू, ईच, आइदर, नाइदर, एनीवन, everyone, someone, everybody, nobody are usually used as indefinite pronouns. जहाँ पे कुछ डेफिनेट नंबर नहीं होता है एक ग्रुप के लिए, विच कैन हैव a lot of members. They can be uncountable also, they can be countable also. So for such things indefinite pronouns are used. They are like all, many and all, right? Now relative pronouns. Pronouns that relate a noun to a group of words that follow, right? Relative pronouns are pronouns that relate a noun to a group of words, जो relation दिखाते हैं, right? This is normally used in clauses. कोई भी एक clause या phrases को noun के साथ link करने के लिए relative pronouns को use करते हैं. We admire the man who does his duty sincerely, right? कौन सा man? Who does his duty sincerely. अब ये पूरा group है. Who इस ग्रुप के साथ इस मैन का रिलेशन दिखा रहा है आपको. सो who is telling you more about this man and his relation with I mean his quality, who is working sincerely. So who is a relative pronoun. The medicine which the doctor had suggested proved effective. कौन सी medicine? Which the doctor has suggested, right? So which is showing you the relation between the medicine which was given, right? उसके quality के बारे में बता रहा है आपको. So which is also a relative pronoun. Generally it shows the relation of two things in the sentence, a noun and the other group of words. Now let us start with exercises. Exercise 1. Underline the pronouns in these sentences and write the kind of pronoun they are. He is a big fan of J.K. Rowling. Who is J.K. Rowling? Who has written the Harry Potter series, right? All the Harry Potter books on that shelf are his. Now here all is which type of pronoun? Indefinite pronoun, right? This is indefinite. Then he is a big fan of J.K. Rowling. He is used for some person, so it is a personal pronoun. Big fan of J.K. Rowling. And all the Harry Potter's books on that shelf are his. His here again is a personal pronoun. These are the children who have been selected to represent the school in badminton. These, you are pointing out to the children, so it's a demonstrative pronoun, are the children who have been selected to represent the school. Now who is what type of pronoun? Relative pronoun. Has been selected to represent the school in badminton. Right? Further, nobody knew that she herself had given these instructions. She herself. She is what? It is a personal pronoun. Herself is emphasizing pronoun. Nobody knew. Now here nobody is given in indefinite pronoun. So nobody can be anybody. So that is an indefinite pronoun. Right? These is again pointing out. So it becomes a demonstrative pronoun. I can assure you that each of these candidates is well qualified for the job. I can assure you. You is which type of pronoun? Personal pronoun. That each of these candidates is well qualified for the job. There is no pronoun here. These candidates, these you can say it is a demonstrative pronoun because it is pointing out. She fully availed herself of the opportunities that came her way. She is personal pronoun, fully availed herself. Availed herself. Herself is emphasizing of the opportunities that came her way. That is actually a relative pronoun. Which opportunities that came her way, right? Which of your bats has been stolen? Do you suspect anybody? Which of your bats, which is interrogative pronoun, of your bat, your is possessive pronoun, right? Your bat has been stolen. Do you suspect anybody? Anybody here. You is again personal pronoun. Anybody is indefinite pronoun. I have full faith in each of these people. You may select any. The choice is yours. I have full faith in. I is used for your own self. Full faith in each of these demonstrative pronoun. These people. You may select any. Any is again indefinite pronoun. Then the choice is yours. Yours is possessive pronoun, right? So here I think up to personal pronouns we will stop. From personal pronouns, next time we will further continue. Write down all the underlined points. Write down all these types of pronouns that we have studied. Please write down क्या है, क्या होते हैं और उसके examples सब पूरा ये box you have to write it down in your notebook. So that will give you a better idea of what are the types of pronouns. And this exercise also you have to write it in your notebook because that will here you cannot mark it properly. It is not possible. So notebook में लिखो, underline करो कौन से type का pronoun है ये properly उसमें नीचे mention करो so that you will understand how you are marking the pronouns. First write down all these important points and their examples and then do this exercise. Personal pronouns we will do it next time. We stop here today.